Getting ready to take the kids out. I'm gonna try to get a run in. I have severely slacked off in January, well, and December with running. I gotta get back into it. I have a 24-hour race in May that I have to get ready for. And I need to lose some lbs. I've packed on some lbs. I usually do. If I stop running, my weight goes because I don't stop eating. I'm gonna go ahead and get a quick, maybe hour run in, see how I feel, maybe 45 minutes, and then go out and do some shoveling and drag the kids around in the snow. Alright, that's 45 minutes of running done. It is time to go shower, get the kids outside, get them playing, because I know I'm not going to hear the end of it until this happens today. So, let's go.
The polar bear one is mine.
Okay, we're hoping. You know what I learned?
What?
That dropping this snowboard on your toe feels fantastic.
Oh, it hurts?
Yes, it hurts.
He dropped the hard snowball.
There you go. That's not breaking them. We gotta get dressed now. And I gotta take that Christmas tree down today. Unless you take it down.
No.
We have heard quite a bit of that going on. The people are just hurting themselves, or what's going on? Hurry, 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 hurry. No one's ever told you to go out and play in the middle of the street?
No.
That's because people love you. That snow's dirty. Yuck. It's got chemicals all in it, Grace. See all this snow? You don't use this snow. That's all gross. It's got chemicals and stuff in it.
Jack, can you hold it? 3, 2, 1.
Are you ready? Hold on to the things.
I'm gonna let go. Hi, Kate! Hi, Aiden! Aiden! Hey! Riley, walk it up! Tell everybody! No, I was gonna go on my shoes.
Your hat fell off.
Woo! So fast!
What was that? All right, Grace. Whoa, I almost went.
I'm gonna do it again.
Oh God. This thing gonna be doing circles. We gotta wait up.
We're on top.
Look, he showed up. Mama walked over. I didn't think you were gonna come over. Watch him wipe out, Mama.
Yeah.
He's got it. Are you serious? We're going down here together over the hill?
Hey, you guys! Hey, we're not gonna go anywhere! What do you think we're doing?
I saw she's making it. All right. We're not going very fast.
goes up the ramp.
Good one, Gracie. You caught some air on that one.
I'm the only one that actually stayed on my sled.
You caught some major air on that one. Come on. Did you hurt yourself? Come on. Did you bop your head or something? Huh? What happened? Was it a hard hit? You're not very light.
I'm not light.
Smile. Say cheese. I think we've had enough sledding for the day. You guys have fun? Yeah? We're gonna head back home. I gotta go actually shovel because I've been procrastinating on that. Get the vehicles cleaned off. I don't think they will be going to school tomorrow since this is the school parking lot. Or one of them. There's still a foot of snow or more in it.
This is really fun.
We have had an absolutely fantastic, fun day sledding. Now we're having the crap part where we're having to shovel. So you can see from the shovel all the way down the driveway, down there, that is not a fun part. So that's the end of this vlog. I don't think we're gonna have school or work tomorrow. Just from walking from here over to the school, the roads are not good. They're still covered. They're still using tractors and big trucks to try to clear the roads. Well, I hope everyone's had a great weekend. Until next time, see ya.